bakit yung so-called women's intuition nakaka-detect lang siya ng mga event na kung saan nag-cheat yung lalaki pero never nilang na-detect na hindi na masaya yung lalaki. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
There are two ways on how to handle your relationship. First, you could be reactive, wherein yung actions nyo nai-implement as the problem arises. Now, yung pangalawa kasi, yung pagiging proactive, ang ginagawa niya is more on preventing the event to happen. So, either you could be a proactive in your relationship or you could be reactive on your relationship. And yung woman's intuition kasi, both can be played or can be used doon sa parehong scenario, being a reactive or being a proactive one. Sa ngayon kasi, ginagamit ng mga babae yung woman's intuition nila sa pamamaraang reactive. Like, inaabangan nila na magkamali yung partner nila and then celebrate as if dapat siyang matuwa na gumagana yung woman's intuition niya when it comes to being a reactive tool instead of being a proactive tool, which is preventing yung ganong event. Ngayon, paano mo gagawing proactive yung woman's intuition? Palitan mo kung ano yung nadedetect niya. Tulad ng instead of detecting yung actual na problema, try mong i-detect kung ano yung nagkukos ng problema na yun. Like for example, pagiging unhappy ng partner mo, pagiging uncontented ng partner mo. And by you knowing kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit napunta doon, which is a better use of your intuition, you would have a better idea of why your partner is having a feeling of cheating instead na just detecting them after mangyari. Ngayon, para maging proactive yung woman's intuition, ang kailangan mo lang gawin palitan yung mga bagay na nakafocus kang madetect into something that would prevent yung pag-cheat. Hindi lang to detect na nag-cheat yung partner nyo, pero to detect bakit siya nag-cheat, bakit siya hindi masaya, bakit siya hindi malungkot, para at least magawan natin ng paraan as a partner yung problema na dati nadidetect lang natin paghuli na at nangyari na. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.